You know the usual.
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. You know, like I say, man, whenever the smoke clears, man, we know the keys is still gonna be standing strong. You know, this ain't nothing new. Shit, we all been through some things. You know, Ed will be back.
He'll be back soon. Please look at all the videos and him saying Keys lost the agency and all that. Laugh now, cry later. Anybody went against Keys in the streets and mentioned NFL, they don't know how to move right.
Yeah. Every run they move too much. You gotta move in silence. If you really doing something, just move in silence.
Move in silence, that's it.
You know?
Move in silence, that's it. All my haters, no shade. I'm undefeated against my haters. I'm just being 100.
Yeah, that's how I feel, man. I feel like Rocky over here. I only been on here 7 months.
I'm undefeated with these haters.
Still standing tall. Man. Thank you, Wes. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. We appreciate all those keys in the audience, too. But yeah, bro, what's up? I see you, Nature Boy. What's going on with Nature Boy?
Oh, shit, I can't call it. Nature Boy, what up, fam?
I'm not that important to take down. I know I ain't important. You just
let me know that.
Too. Yeah, you see how that go? Yeah. I'm so not important that you just had to let me know it, huh? Yeah. So
look, look, what I was telling you a while ago about that Mount Rushmore. Yeah. Oh yeah, I gotta get that shit done.
It's time, bro. I told you.
I got to, bro. I got to. We got the most love, the most hated people in the cage. Like that ass. Nature Boy, you remember when you first got on Bigo and you was like, well, you got I got a whole lot of haters. I was like, well, you ain't got nothing compared to Keys. He was like, man, I got a whole lot of. I'm like, nah.
Yeah, man, it's a whole nother level, bro. What would you say now, bro? Now you remember how it was with Nature Boy when he came on this app.
Yeah.
Now seeing what's been going on with me, who would you say got getting the most hate on this app?
Right now, it gotta be you. Over the past like 5 months. What's this? October. Past 5 months, it gotta be you.
Nature Boy running up there, bro. Appreciate that. Damn, bro, got 4 shields on me, man. I appreciate that, bro.
It gotta be you.
Appreciate that, Tom.
So you and Nature Boy, right? Past 5 months is you for sure.
Let me say this publicly. Hey, if I disrespected you on the Drip Idol, you know, I apologize in front of everybody because I didn't mean no disrespect by that, bro. You know, it's all love, bro. That's putting my ego to the side, bro. It's all love. If you want to come up here, I don't know how to do the team PK though. 8 chills, bro. Okay. Thank you, gang. I appreciate it, bro.
Nature Boy, you going live?
Hey, you might as well go live and line up with us, bro. All right, cool. Hey, go live, Nature Boy. Bro came in here and woke that shit up. Damn. He came in here and woke that up. Appreciate that, bro. Got the keys. You gotta get some. Oh, you gotta get some rest.
Let me ask some keys up here. Okay. Sure, point out.
Yeah.
Point out, what's up?
What's going on?
Shit, doing hair and all that. So, what's going on with the show? I mean, what we doing?
So right now we just I was really busy.
Come on, y'all, let's stop. Let's get it.
Yeah, I was really today, so I got to with everybody, but yeah, I'm most definitely it's still game on and everything. So right now, I guess Pump hitting up a few people on her side, but today I was going car shopping. You know, we're busy today. But,
who you still waiting for? Who you still waiting for to sit there and do it?
A few people. So really, a few people. I don't want to say it too much right now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna chop it up with you behind the scenes.
Okay, got you. Yes, thank you. I got you. Thank you.
I haven't even had a chance to tell Brandon what I'm doing yet. He doesn't have no idea.
You got her contact?
What's my number?
Hey, Shell, Okay, Shell, I'm gonna shoot you his number.
Okay, hey, Queen up.
Did y'all start the PK?
right here in this other box right here.
That's Nation Boy.
Okay.
Hey, I gotta go to sleep, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I'm going out, bro. I gotta get some rest.
Nah, it's all
I
love, bro.
appreciate y'all, man, for real. Love y'all for real, man.
Yeah, you already know.
Love, man.
Oh, he done started the PK. Oh, shit, I'm locked in.
It's only 5
I'm
minutes.
fucking locked in. I can't
It's
do
so nice, bro. They say you go to show.
It already started.
God damn it, kid.
Nah, you on the side. It's me against all of y'all. I'm by myself.
You ready?
He might have y'all still whooping y'all, still knock y'all. Let's knock.
Okay. Y'all help me. Y'all help me on my side.
Thank you.
It's 3 against 1. It's 3 against 1, gang.
So do we have to find another agency or what, Brandon?
Hell no. Don't listen to the liars.
Yo, y'all looking out.
Hey, haters.
Appreciate it, ladies.
They been saying that. Look, they been saying that since day one.
Appreciate it, Robin.
They just be hating. That's all. They jealous. When you on top,
Man,
you got some little folks at the bottom trying to come for you. I mean, that's how it is.
hey, we got 10 boxes over here, man. Hey, keys to the streets, man. We running this shit the fuck up. It's the women team right here, man. Y'all chose wrong.
Hey, TKO on that Mount Rushmore. I forgot. We forgot about Queen off the Shell.
No, that's who I was when the first night when you when Ed was doing the interview. That's what I was talking about. I was talking about all of us because Super ain't over here no more. So I was like such.
Yeah.
Because we all the top. You feel me?
Yeah.
Yeah. We got the most love and most
hated.
Yeah.
The most love and most hated right here.
Real shit.
That's crazy.
But that's
literally. So look,
that's what's up. It's just
we know out of all the males, I'm the most hated. And Nation Boy the most hated. We know out of all the females, Eb and Queen of Opera is the most hated. We know that, and they all like, oh man, come on.
So.
All right, no, I gotta add on.
Yeah, Terry.
Savannah.
Yo, we gotta get up again, y'all. We gotta get up again.
That week was major.
We gotta get up again.
Queen Opera gonna be there with us. Hey, bro, I'm gonna tell y'all behind the scenes what's going on. Queen Opera know what's going on. But
I want Queen Op's sister. I want Queen Op's sister. What's her name? I want her. She mine. The one with the green hair. She mine.
She blushing.
Oh, shit.
She blushing.
You got to go to the woods with Nature Boy.
She mine. That's mine. I'm calling dibs on that.
No, man. Gang.
Yo, what's up? Oh, yeah. 2004.
Nature Boy, we trying to PK you this month. What's up with it?
Hey, man.
Oh, that'd be live.
I love my family.
We trying to official PK Nature Boy this month. What's up with it?
PK me. What's good?
Trying to set that up.
When y'all want to do it?
That'd be live.
Let's do it. Basically, you nature girl.
Look, that's lit. Look, if Nature Boy win, Shell, you gotta go. You gotta go with Nature Boy for a week.
That'd be live. Thank you.
Yeah.
She's gonna be out here in the jungle with me for a week.
That'd be lit.
That'd be lit.
You and your sister.
And then Shell, you gotta be a drip angel.
Look, she can do it all.
On the gang. So all right, so look, Brandon, I didn't tell you this yet, but I'm doing
her here.
We're doing the poly auditions, but it's only with top hosts. So who's gonna try out? It's gonna be Queen Op, it's gonna be 21 Bad Bitch, it's gonna be Pumpkin, it's gonna be Leah, and it's gonna be there was one more person to be my drip angel. And whoever win, I'm flying them out. Yeah. So Shell comes with Queen Op. It's a package, a whole package. So I might have 3 of them win. I'm gonna get an Airbnb, and it's gonna be a movie. It's gonna be a movie with whoever wins. Out here in Vegas. It's about to go live. You know what I'm saying? And then
Who the judges?
Man, I love Vegas, man. I want to come back out to Vegas.
Bro, and what you about? Oh my God, bro. You feel me? I ain't gonna say it live. I got some stuff. When I say I got some toys, bro. Yeah, man. Y'all about to see how broke I am, man. I'm about to see how really broke I am. You feel me? I got some toys, bro. I'm bringing out. They should be done in the next 2 to 3 weeks. And notice I said multiple. I didn't say one toy. I said
who all going to judge it? It's going to be all top hosts that's judging it too?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed.
For that, I'm a judge.
So right now,
for that one, I'm a judge.
You said what, bro?
For that one, I'm a judge.
And we got to go out again to that club, man. We got to go out to that club.
Oh, that was a dope ass spot.
Already. And I haven't told. I haven't told.
Yeah. Hey, let me know when I need to come to Vegas, bro. I'm there.
Y'all know what? We should set something up mid-November. Matter of fact,
that's my B-Day time.
Man, Vegas is the move, bro. I want to go to Vegas. My wives is like, they want to go.
That's my B-Day time.
What day your birthday?
17.
Oh, yeah.
Then that's where we going, right there. Let's lock it in.
You know, we should do something live, though. That would be lit. Yeah, that would, set it up.
The Scorpios in here? Where the Scorpios at?
Man, Keys, you don't want to be in Vegas for your birthday, bro?
I'm going to be out the country. That's the goal.
Major kill.
You're going to be in the Aruba. You're going to be in the Aruba.
Major kill.
I can't even say yet.
And he's feeling.
The little polish.
Fucking love Vegas, man.
Limit. And then following and fly whoever we gonna pick a movie.
Who y'all think should win, y'all? Who y'all think should win? Who y'all going for?
I feel
like he should put the most problematic people in the house together and let us knock each other heads the fuck off. Period. Sorry, no, I'm joking.
Win.
All right, so the girls is going to potentially be my trip angels: Queen Out Michelle, Pumpkin, Precious. Well, I haven't talked to Barbie because I came up with this idea a few days ago, and Leah. Yeah. So.
Wait, Queen Out. You said 21.
Yeah, Queen Out, Bad Boss, Pumpkin, Precious. I haven't talked to Barbie yet, and Leah. Yep. So it's gonna be 3. I'm gonna choose 3. We're gonna choose 3 with the audience is. Gonna choose 3. You know, I'm gonna have my judges, my consultants, and everything. Ab gonna be one of the judges. Randy gonna be one of the judges.
Pumpkin and Michelle, y'all stop.
Savannah. I was some stuff behind the scenes, bro. Cause I got some names on here. You probably like, hell, fuck no. But I'm gonna holler at you about it. I'm gonna holler at you about it.
Yeah.
We gonna make it interesting.
I think it's that one we see. I'm gonna get the costume.
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. So what show you had today? I haven't been on Bigo all day. That your boy said you had a show.
So.
Yeah, we did an open mic show at my crib. You know, it was pretty cool.
So go ahead.
Y'all.
Yeah, we just performed out.
Cause you know, with the costumes. Go with the costume for right now. The costume can be here by the time. TKO, are you and Armani dressing up for Halloween? Do y'all dress up for Halloween or no?
We ain't never did it, but we could. That'd be fun. We ain't never did that.
That'd be dope right there.
I'm with it.
A Halloween bash.
Well, that'd be dope.
I really respect the fact that TKO was trying to bring some different energy to the app, some different content. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I definitely can salute you for that.
Appreciate that. Yes.
They said Jay-Z.
And like I said, for the people who don't know, everything is gonna be on me. You know, all the flights, the Airbnbs, the food, everything is gonna be on me when it comes to this show. When I fly over, I have fun. We ain't gonna do no fighting. It's gonna be all love.
Hell no.
I mean, don't get me wrong. We get drunk. I don't drink, but I'm gonna get drunk.
I don't drink
either.
But we gonna drink it too. We gonna drink too.
Yeah, we all gonna have the cameras on, and whatever happens, happens. Whatever happens.
How does this work? Hey, hold on. Hey, hold on.
What's good?
How does shit work?
How does shit work?
About that?
You said what?
Yeah. So
what about the
policy? Man, you know, I'm searching for love.
Yeah,
man.
the policy.
You know, so hard out here. You know, I was getting my heart rate, bimbos who just want clout. So I said, you know what? Let me go ahead and just go to people who already got clout. You know what I'm saying? Who won't use me for my clout because they already coming with the clout. So, man, I'm just on a quest for love right now, bro.
So TK, are you gonna have sex with any of the girls that weekend? The girls that come out there?
I would love.
Hold on.
Okay, I can at least get y'all.
Whoa.
That'd be fun.
Okay, tell me about it. What's going on now?
Shit, man. Yeah, we just doing poly auditions to join my family. And yeah, I know Punk. I would slide Punk diaper to the side and stick this dick in.
Wait,
you know what I'm saying? It depends.
That's disgusting.
Yeah. All right.
Not to back up, bro. Stop. I think I might throw up.
But yeah, it's gonna be lit. Like this show gonna be lit.
That would stop me. So, you don't think you should get like one more guy?
One more guy?
Yeah. Remember you said you was trying to get what's the name or no?
Oh yeah. I gotta talk to bro about it, especially right now. Yeah. I ain't gonna say it out loud.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm
Probably got a text me.
Yeah, he said, oh yeah, text. All right, I'm gonna text you the list. This is how I want it to be, bro. I'm gonna text you. Say nothing though, but just this is what I want it to be. It's just an ideal because we thinking about the bigger picture. This is the bigger picture, right?
Yeah, here we go. You see my stuff? Is it in here? The peanut butter remover. They tell me something. I want to see Queen show out. Y'all know I'm gonna show out. Period.
Have y'all ever been to Vegas before?
Nope. That's why I said we was looking forward to coming and having a good time.
Ooh, it's about to be lit.
And I'm not gonna try to be the drama queen, but if bitches try me, you know, because we gotta respect your. Wait, are there any rules? Number one. What's the rule?
Well, the only rule I know, but this is what we're gonna do. We are gonna have in the house like NDAs, so nobody can get like, you know what I'm saying, like we're gonna protect our. So we're gonna have NDAs.
Okay.
But as far as like now, everything goes. We just chilling. Everybody can be themselves. It's gonna be fun. Everybody can be themselves. You see that list, bro?
Yeah, I see it.
It'll be major. These are people I'm considering, though. These are people I'm considering. I
gotta stop being so negative, y'all. No, you're not. She ain't gonna say shit over here.
Oh, hell no. Nah.
Wow.
Hell no. Nah.
At least one.
So when are you trying to start it? When do you think you're gonna start like the whole thing?
All right, so look, I want to get started next. Honestly, I want to start going through the poly auditions, and then by the end of the month, wait a minute, what's today? By the end of the month, y'all could be already out here for Halloween. Honestly, shit.
Listen, I'm right. I'm listening.
Yeah, I'm on fast pace. I like to get up on it. Like I don't like to wait
stretch
shit out.
Why your shoes are the ugliest to compete? I mean, I don't think
that would be lit. If Poker was in the competition, that'd be lit too. That would be lit.
No, not please send it to somebody else.
Yeah, that would be lit.
I might not even handle more. I'm not gonna find it.
Yeah. For the judges, I keep the keys and X out like 3 of them. 4 of them.
But at least, look, I knew you was gonna say that. But we gotta look at the bigger picture though.
Yeah, but the bigger picture is the fact that you can't do business with folks that don't think business minded. So I would say that when it comes to number 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.
Yeah, that's everybody on the list.
All them
wow, all of them gotta go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is good. You can do 6.
Hold on, let me go back to my list.
The judges. 2 is a no. 3 is a no.
I think 7 would be good though, bro.
Which one?
7.
Hell no.
I know.
Hell no.
I don't fuck with none of them, but I'm looking at the bigger picture.
The bigger picture is nobody fucks with 7. And like, it ain't gonna do nothing. 6, yeah. 6 is bigger than 7.
You think so?
Way bigger. Way bigger. Way bigger.
Yeah, we all
way
guessing.
bigger.
We all like, we all, yeah.
Yeah. Hey, text me Queen Op number. I'll answer this list.
I'm
I shared it to yourself.
Okay.
6 bigger than 7.
Yeah, boy. Yeah.
2, 3, 5, and 7 not needed. Let me see. Yeah, 2, 3, 5, and 7 not needed. 4 is a so-so. Oh, my bad. And then the second to the last one is a hell no. 7 is a hell no. The second to the last one is a hell no.
I think
5 and 6. 5 and 6 can understand business.
Thank you, man.
I mean, I don't think none of the girls gonna get along when they get in the house.
Yeah. Especially if 21 get drunk. I don't think 21 gonna win. I think they might.
He's gonna be drunk and try to fight, and it's gonna be a problem. But hopefully,
that's what I'm saying. Like you can't.
No, none of the judges there. No, the judges ain't gonna be there unless they on their own expense. I'm only paying for the drip, the ones who win the challenge, the competition.
Okay, on that one I think.
But not being hell nah. No, this is for.
Yeah,
this is only for Bigo. That part was only for Bigo.
Yeah, but even on Bigo, you know what I'm saying, you can't do business with folks that don't think business minded. But out of the girls, I think one gonna be the best one. One in the second to the last one and the last one.
Yeah. You think I think, but you know they gonna put that third to the last one because of
Yeah, the third to the last one.
Create.
Bring third to the last one entertaining. Well,
everybody entertaining at this point.
Second is a hell no. Third can go along. You can do business with the third one. The fourth one gonna be a liability as always. Fifth and sixth.
They knew who you talking about when you said liability. Everybody knew.
Y'all know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, they already know it's gonna be a liability. They already know, like, it's gonna be a liability with that one.
No, I'm not lost. I'm just like, I know how people gonna judge. They're not gonna judge to find out who really wanna be. You know what I'm saying? And the drip angel. They gonna wanna judge to see who can get the fuck in their house. Cause they gonna wanna see drama. They're gonna wanna see drama. They gonna wanna see mess. So the people that do end up they gonna strategically pick some people to try to see what's gonna happen that weekend. Yeah. What's gonna happen?
Yeah. Because you gotta
exactly.
You wanna do
business. They ain't gonna find love. They gonna try to help me find blood.
Take off number 2. Take off number 2.
But number 2 is hold on, let me text you real quick, bro.
Number 2 ain't nothing but a loud.
Hold on.
Okay.
I mean, I know for a fact Pumpkin is not gonna make it in the house. I'm not trying to talk bad about Pumpkin, but she's not gonna make it in the house. Like, why is she even on the lineup?
Who I'm talking about, y'all?
Why is she on the lineup? Like, why is she on? Like, I don't even feel right competing for your love and Pumpkin from the lineup.
She helped me come up with the idea.
But that don't mean you gotta put her in the lineup because she helped you come up with it. Mona Scott behind the scenes for a reason. Thank you.
Yeah, you gotta keep. Y'all gotta keep fish pads in the house and shit like that.
No. I got some extra diapers and I got some cat litter. My bro bought some calendar the other day because I told her that Pumpkin might be coming. So it's cool. Just we don't know. He said do 5 girls. Do 5 girls.
One of the best choice.
Yeah, I think one. I think of them, bro. I think no, not all of them.
She helped him come up with it by talking about keys off the air. What? Who? Pumpkin can't read me. Pumpkin can't read me. I'm not gonna be no fake bitch. Why is Pumpkin in the lineup?
Pumpkin can't even read. You can't even read.
You gonna be a part of the Pumpkin, because you helped me come up with this $1 billion idea, and I like how big your booty is, baby. You don't want to be. Don't let these people get to you, Pumpkin. Don't let these people get to you.
No, I'm not trying to. Do she really think she deserved to be in the lineup with pretty female? With pretty female?
I feel
like,
embarrassed.
Come on, that's not fair. I
was
feel like it's not fair that Pumpkin is on the lineup. Like, I'm not gonna be no fake bitch.
No, Shay. When you being real though, Queen, good ass. Talk your shit. Talk your shit.
Hold on, man. I don't know.
She gotta peel her pamper down and shit like that.
That's what I'm saying.
Pumpkin, go live real quick.
Yes, I do feel like I deserve it. What you mean? If we're talking about the attractive women on the app, yes, I'm one of those women. But TKO, you know you can look at her in real life.
I'm gonna name the women again. It's Queen Op, Estelle, they're a package deal. Pumpkin, Precious, 21 Bad Bitch. I haven't confirmed with Barbie yet because we haven't talked. Leah, and I don't know if Tasty Mocha wanted to be a part of it, but that's the females right there.
Girl, like I said, bitch, shut the fuck up. Don't discuss my look, bitch. At the end of the day, Pumpkin don't deserve to be on the lineup. Y'all lying in the comments acting like she do. No, she don't. And TKO, you would not look at Pumpkin in real life. I feel like you should go after girls that include girls that's fighting for your heart or love or dripping you, whatever. That you really will look at or consider.
All facts.
Would you consider?
I don't know. Let me pause this joint, man.
Yo, stop it.
This is gonna be spicy because you know what? Some of those attitudes, like they all similar. Like Queen Op, Leah, and Barbie was there. Like they all got them similar. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Don't compare me to Leah. Please don't compare me to Leah. Please. She's weird. Really weird. I don't give a fuck who y'all love. Don't compare me to her.
This is gonna be some. This shit. My phone. Fuck up. In a good way. It's gonna be a good way. I'm waiting for it. Hey. Oh, there go Leah right there.
And still look good.
Hold on.
The fuck?
Go live. I can add you. If you gotta go live, I can add you. Add Pumpkin. Okay. What's Pumpkin's Okay.
It sounds like he's.
Try. It say other party busy. What? Is she? What's she doing?
Y'all know I'm gonna come looking real tea. Y'all already know.
Hold on. See, that's why it's gonna be good because there's some people who think Queen Op look better, some people who think Leah look better. That's why it's gonna be good. Everybody's gonna
say shit like that. Who won't say some shit like that?
Hating assholes.
Hell no.
Tell Pumpkin she gotta pick it up, y'all.
I'm the one that's saying the stuff that everybody's afraid to say. Everybody in them comments know damn well Pumpkin, and I don't even have an issue with Pumpkin, but they know she don't deserve to be on the lineup.
Facts.
Okay. What's up, Pumpkin?
I'm here.
Yeah. Don't back out. This is your beautiful idea. You the one that came up with the idea.
then. Let me just, hold on.
You gotta move the cabinet off the way.
Let me say this. Hold on. Oh, Queen, shut your bald head ass up. You the most nastiest bitch on this motherfucking app. You're trifling. Let me tell you something, bitch. You're trifling, bitch. Hold on, bitch. I want you to hear me nice.
Come on, fix your diaper and come on, bitch.
Look at a motherfucker. The only bitch you can motherfucking whoop is that fat ass motherfucking chest over there, bitch. You want. Hold on, bitch. Now let me get you motherfuckers together.
Girl, you can't eat shit, girl. Like, come on now.
Mute, bitch. Let me
Loud ass speakers.
Let me just say this, bitch. Let me just say this. You came all the way.
No, you came all the way over here with the whack ass reeds. You put your diaper wearing ass all the way over here to say nothing. And listen, I wasn't being smart when I said it. But do you really think you deserve to be on the lineup? I feel like that's unfair that you're including her. I feel like it's unfair that you are including her in the lineup just because she came up with the idea.
Can y'all hear me? Why is my goddamn shit?
Yeah, you real loud, Papa.
Let me get you together.
You real
God,
loud.
let me get this on. Let me gather this bitch.
You real loud, Papa.
Leah, you gotta go live for me to add you.
The only bitch that you can motherfucking check over there is that fat silly sucky over there. You want
Listen, hold. Don't discuss nobody's looks if you're not cammed the fuck up. Don't discuss nobody's looks if you're not cammed up. Cam up, girl. We all looking back right now. Cam up. I don't got no lashes on, no wig on, no nothing. And I'm in the camera. Cam up.
Queen.
I still look better than you, bitch. I still look better than you. I still look better than you. Cam up.
King Kelvin.
Who? Like, what's up? I stay on celebrity sticks. Literally. On them. Wiping them up. So, she left?
Yeah, she ran from you. She laid her
You
up.
did that big ass reading left. Girl, bye. The fuck?
Yeah, right. This family shield.
Where Pumpkin go?
Okay. What's good with you?
Family shield.
Anyway, take your motherfucking hat off, bitch.
A fucking mannequin. A fucking mannequin.
Bitch, take your fucking hat off, bitch. I dare you.
all that makeup off.
That's why your ass getting fired. You ain't been with your agency that much longer. You ain't any boo-boo. You ain't finna have an agency, bitch. And they said it's gonna take a whole month for your
I don't
all
have
bitch.
that.
You
I don't have that. Just take your motherfucking
You live in your mama front porch.
You
live in your mama front porch. You live in your mama front porch. Don't talk to me.
You fucking fired, bitch. Your ass fired.
You ain't never been signed to
Agency, you fucking nasty.
You never signed to
Protecting ass, bitch. You signed to every motherfucking bitch. I wear your ass up mad or something. Beating that bitch and that's because your
You your ass on my side.
fire me. That crack your
God, you
ass.
on my side.
Bitch, you fired me. Bro, I don't argue with no bitch. You got bitch some firecracker, bitch. He's burning up down as we speak.
She live in her mama front porch.
You talk pussy having ass.
That should be a rule. You cannot live in your mama front porch, bitch. Angel.